3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You turn these pieces together.
Good job. Where's the rest of Minnie's head? Can you put her bow on? Maybe this is her bow right here.
Okay, you're put it.
Let me do it?
I gotta do this. I gotta do this one.
Okay. You do that one.
Let's do her shoes. Upside down. And this wraps her shoes. Look at these ones. No. Oh, this one. No.
Well, let's look at it. Is that part of her dress?
Yeah.
Is that part of her dress?
Yeah. So,
Now put her shoes on. Good job.
Let's cut that. Or the dog.
Nope.
Sorry.
Did you do it?
Yeah.
Good job.
It's a crab house.
It's what?
It's a crab house.
It is?
It's a crab house. Where's the crab house?
The crap house?
The crab house.
Grap house.
The house.
The house?
Yeah.
The clubhouse?
Yeah.
Oh, the clubhouse. It's not in that one.
Ordinary is in.
Where's it at?
It's in here. It's in there.
The clubhouse. Very carefully.